Hey everybody, welcome back to another Merly on Time. Today I am doing the quick unbox and reveal, not review, the reveal of this week's watch, which was given to me again by my buddy Timmy, and you can follow him on Instagram at Timmy the Carpenter. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that what I am unboxing today is one of the most favorite brands of all watch collectors, and that would be a Seiko. We got ourselves a Seiko. And my friend Timmy bought this recently, and we exchanged watches. I gave him one of my Seikos to wear, and he has loaned this to me. This is the SND409P1. It is a really, really beautiful watch. And here we go. It is a chronograph, one of my favorite kinds of watches. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Just have a look at this. So it is a chronograph watch, beautiful yellow dial. Love the blue subdials, love the black Arabics off of the yellow, and then some white as well on the dial with the indices around the Arabics there. It is just an absolutely beautiful watch. So this is the one that we are highlighting on the channel. Watch for the full review on this one in a few days' time. I'll just pop it on wrist for you. Didn't have to remove any links because of the micro adjust that is on the clasp here. Lots of micro adjust, so that was awesome because the links on this watch are terrible, and we'll get to that in the review. But here it is on wrist. Just have a look at that. It is gorgeous, and look at the nice bit of flare off of the bracelet there. Absolutely beautiful watch. Thanks again to my pal Timmy for loaning it to me for review. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. As you can see, I'm up to about 365 subscribers right now, and so if you like this kind of content, unboxing and reviewing of budget watches like this beautiful Seiko chronograph that my buddy Timmy lent to me, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. But most importantly, like the video, and even more importantly, comment. I love dialoguing with everyone that watches these videos. Whether you subscribe or not, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this Seiko. I think it is absolutely stunning and can't wait to do a full review of it a little bit later on. If you are so inclined, why don't you check out the following video? And again, please hit subscribe, and thank you again for tuning in. God bless you. We'll see you in the next one.